The Ko'okiri Body Plunge features a 70-degree fall, 125 feet through a drop door. You're up first. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
All right.
You got
You
this.
think you can handle it? Go. Jimmy, you know you're next, right?
Hey, I'm Paige.
I'm Jimmy.
We're from Kansas City, Kansas, and we have 2 daughters who have been begging us to take them to Universal Orlando Resort.
They don't know it, but we're on a secret mission with Jake as our guide to tour all the parks, rides, shows, and hotels.
This is Universal.
Jake said to meet him at the beach.
You think this is a game? All right, I got here the minute this park opened to reserve the best seats on Waturi Beach. Kia ora, Paige and Jimmy. That's how we say hi, Ron.
How do we say
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Right. And welcome to Volcano Bay. What do you guys think? Check
Yeah.
it out.
This
Take
is
it-
amazing.
The drama, right?
Wow.
As
Yeah.
soon as you walk in, bam.
Bam, it's epic.
Epic. Technically, Volcano Bay is a water theme park. To me, it's like the ultimate beach resort. The water's always just the right temperature. Those waves come just
Ooh,
when you
yeah,
need it.
those
Right, the
waves
wave
are
pool,
awesome.
right?
The kids would love them.
Exactly. If you're staying at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort, Universal's Aventura Hotel, or Lowe's Sapphire Falls Resort, you can basically roll out of bed and straight into paradise. I mean, they're so close. All right, are we ready to head out?
Yes.
We got everything we need?
Yeah,
think
I got
so.
everything we need. I got
Jimmy.
it. We're good.
Jimmy, what is that? That looks like you packed a lunch for kindergarten. No,
Yeah.
absolutely not. I wish I could be a first timer again. That's so cute. You do not need any of that. All you need is this. Every Volcano Bay guest receives this, which is a Tapu Tapu wearable, and it allows you to wait in line virtually for one ride at a time while you hang out at other parts of the park. Tapu Tapu's in.
Tapu tapu.
Tapu tapu.
Tapu Tapu.
Yes.
And break. Here we go. There are roller coasters, and there are water slides, and then there's this. If you're gonna abandon your chill vibes at Volcano Bay for anything, it's Krakatau Aqua Coaster. It has a little bit of water slide, it has a little bit of roller coaster, and it makes all your dreams come true.
Oh,
You guys wanna check it out? It's hard to describe.
Let's just do it.
I think we just gotta do it.
Okay.
All right, come on. Thank you. I'll take the rear.
Okay.
Every ship needs an anchor. Okay, here we go. What did you guys think?
I loved all the drops.
Yeah.
And when it accelerated really
Yeah.
fast. The tunnels
So
were
cool.
that was my favorite part.
Tunnels were
Give me that.
awesome.
Yep, the tunnels were awesome. I felt like a
So
superhero
cool.
going through those, you know?
Now, what do you think the kids? Do you think they can handle it?
Oh, yeah.
I think so too.
I think they might be a little scared at first,
Yeah.
but those drops aren't too bad.
No,
Yeah.
they're not too
When
bad.
Eliza gets a little bit older, all 4 of us can ride on the same one.
Yeah, absolutely.
I can't wait for that. That'd be such a good memory.
And it's like a one-of-a-kind thing.
Yes.
We got a lot more drops to do, though.
Okay.
So let's keep dropping.
Let's
Drop
keep
it.
dropping.
Drop it.
Okay.
Drop it. All right, y'all. It's time for a cheat code. Let's tapu tapu right here. Yep, there you go. Paige, Jimmy, you
Wow.
next. Tapu tapu. And I'll tapu tapu as well. All right, so when these vibrate, that means it's time to return. But until then, we got bigger waves to catch. Y'all ready to
Okay.
catch the wave?
I'm ready.
Catch the wave. Catch the wave.
This is probably my favorite park so far.
This is definitely the favorite part.
Yeah.
Okay, this is Teawa. Now, you guys know lazy rivers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, this one is distinctly unlazy. What do you think?
Makes it unlazy.
You'll find out.
And everybody has to wear a life jacket?
Everybody's got to wear a life jacket
Okay.
for this one. All right.
Okay. Sounds like a challenge.
Come on, follow the sexy Clementine. Easy to peel. I'm a river angel.
I was just flying through.
Oh, you were flying. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Ooh, y'all. Tapu Tapu has spoken.
Yes?
I think it's time to go from river to ride.
All right.
Shall we?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Come on. Slow-mo ride. Slow-mo ride. Okay, you may think you know what it's like to ride that big blue wave, but I promise you, Hanu will take you by surprise. Are we prepared?
Okay, well,
I'm
we'll
ready.
see.
All right, who do we think's gonna freak out the most between the two of you?
Probably me. Yeah, that's me.
You volunteer?
Yep.
All right, only one way to find out. Shall we?
All right, guys.
Here we go. Oh, oh. Oh my God. Oh, oh, oh. That was a ride. Oh, now that's a ride. That was so cool. Oh my God. Jimmy definitely freaked out the most.
My mouth was open.
I'm
I was
sorry. Well, listen,
Yep.
Volcano Bay has the whole fam covered. I mean, there are plenty of rides that kids could do, not this, something on this magnitude. I mean, there's the Mako Puihi round raft rides, you got the Taniwa tubes, and the gem amongst gems is, you know what? I think I'll just take you there. How about that?
Ooh.
Let me show you.
Okay.
Come on, don't scream, Jimmy. Tot Tiki Reef and Ranamaka Reef, aka Toddler's Paradise. I mean, right? This is like every 2 to 10-year-old's dream.
Oh, yes.
And for me, it's the world's greatest foot massage.
Hey,
Oh, you gotta love the jets, right? What do you guys think? Check it out.
The girls would spend all day in here.
Yes. This is adorable.
Yep.
And while your kids are like going down the splashy slide or playing with the adorable singing whales, which they'll love.
Singing whales?
The singing whales, yes. While they're doing all that, you can stay here to work out some of these knots. Let's check it out.
That is amazing.
We'll keep the pampering going. Y'all are not ready for this, but you better get ready. Say hello to your own private cabana.
Dude.
Now, when you come to Volcano Bay, this is a little upgrade if you want a little
Okay.
extra luxury, which I 100% recommend. I mean, how could you say no to that, right?
Right. I'm about the cabana life.
I know. I
Yeah.
feel 5 years younger right now. I'm in a
Yes.
higher tax bracket, everything,
For sure.
right? And surprise, I brought us some treats.
All right.
All right, what are we digging into first?
The mashed potatoes.
I'm trying to. Yeah, I'm having more of these mashed
Yes.
potatoes. This is
Is
particular.
that jalapenos on there?
I love it.
I'm putting the fork down.
Delicious.
I'm going to the
Coconut?
balcony.
Oh, this is amazing.
Right? Do you think the kids would love it up here?
Oh, yeah.
Right? Literally snack,
Yeah.
hang out, drink. All right. So as much as I'd love to stay here forever, and I really would, I have so much more stuff that I want to show you guys. So why don't we digest the old-fashioned way by plummeting down a water slide? You up for it, Jimmy?
I'll try it. Let's see what
You're
happens.
regretting that pineapple pizza now, aren't you? Come on, let's go. It'll be fun. Hey, y'all, listen. First one to the bottom gets to pick the next ride. And y'all are going down. Have a seat. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, that was so good.
What'd you guys think?
Oh, that was fun.
That was fun. That was good.
Fun, right?
And I won.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, okay. You think the kids could do it?
Yeah.
I think so.
Charlotte,
Yeah.
love that.
I could see him zipping
Yeah,
down
and
there.
it's-
I could see her being competitive too.
Yeah.
All right, well, listen, Paige, congratulations. You're the winner. Where are we headed next?
I think we should do something more chill.
Something more chill? Okay, do you have
Yeah.
any ideas? Any thoughts?
I mean, I don't know. I saw something with some floaties.
Yeah.
Would you be talking about the Kopiko Y Winding River by any chance?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. I
Think
would
that's
do
the
that.
move?
Yes,
All
that's
right.
the move.
Great choice. Let's do it. Congratulations,
Let's do it.
Paige. I'll
Yeah.
get you next time.
Thank you. Feels good to be a winner.
place to end your day than right here. Or you could just do this all day and absolutely nothing else. It would still be the greatest day of your life. Am I right?
That's the truth.
Hey guys.
Hey, Charlotte. Hey, Eliza. So check this out. We're swimming right below a volcano.
You guys are gonna love it here. We promise we will bring you.
Are you guys ready to float under a volcano?
I hope so. We're gonna do it.
Bye, girls. Love you.
Bye. All right, y'all. If you need me, just shout. I'm just gonna hang out here till someone kicks me out. Wouldn't be the first time. Now here it is.